You want to put like 3 slits in the front and 3 slits in the back. You basically want to do this so the brine can go into the chicken. To this, I'm going to put about 1/8 of a cup of vinegar, about 1/8 of a cup of lemon juice. Now the rest we're going to fill up with water. Now I'm just going to add 3 tablespoons of salt and then let it brine overnight. For the marinade, I have 1/2 cup of plain yogurt, 1/4 of a cup of canola oil. I'm just going to add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar and then 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. The chicken has been brining in the fridge overnight. Added 1 packet of the Foodjabi chicken tikka spice mix, and now I'm just going to whisk all of this together. The chicken that was left brining, let it marinate overnight. Get out of the fridge about an hour ago just so it comes to room temperature. I like to personally just like re-dip it in the marinade and then place it on a baking tray. You can also grill it. I have some Pam that I sprayed on the bottom. I also added about 1/2 tablespoon of garlic. I forgot to show that in the video, as well as about 20 to 25 drops of red food coloring. That's just to make it that distinct red color. You don't have to, it's totally optional. Just going to place it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 1/2 hour to 45 minutes, and then the last minute or so I'm just going to put it on broil so then the top can get nice and crisp. Now once you pull it out of the oven, I had it for about 35 minutes or so. You just want to check if the temperature is done. You want it to be at least 165 to be fully cooked. You can put it under the broiler to get that charred on top.